Good morning, all of you. Children, today we are going to learn the sound coming from letter C. So let's see which sound is coming from letter C with the help of flashcards. First we have com. Com. Letter C, sound k. Com. Couch. Couch. Letter C, sound k. Carrot. Carrot. Letter C, sound k. Cat. Cat. Cloths. Cloths. Candle. Candle. Letter C, sound k. Cake. Cake. Then next we have is crab. Crab. Cage. Letter C, sound k. Card. Card. Then card. Card. Camera. Camera. Letter C, sound k. Camel. Cap. Crow. Crow. Card. Colors. So we have learned sound k, which is coming from letter C. Letter C, sound k. The sound is in between k and k. Okay, so this is k. Again I will repeat the flashcards here. Com. Com. Couch. Couch. Carrot. Carrot. Cloths. Cloths. Cat. Cat. Custard. Custard. Cake. Cake. Candles. Candles. Crab. Crab. Card. Card. Cage. Camera. Camera. I hope, children, today your sound of letter C is clear. Letter C, sound k. Okay, bye bye.